Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with Veggie Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pudina Masala Sherbet at your home kitchen. So to begin the recipe with, I have taken 2 sprigs of fresh mint or pudina. Next we will be requiring about 1 sprig of fresh coriander or dhania leaves. Cut away the roots of both the sprigs and wash and clean them thoroughly to remove any dust and dirt from the sprigs. So to juice out the pudina and the coriander leaves, I have first taken a blender here and fixed it so that I get pure extract only out of the coriander and pudina leaves. So here I go ahead and add both the mint and coriander leaves into the blender. Now into the blender, I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of black salt. You can also use regular salt in case you don't have black salt. Now for the spices, I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin powder along with 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now to the blender, we will be adding about 200 ml of room temperature water. Now all that we're left with is to close the lid of the blender and blend it away at high speed. Meanwhile, in a plate, I have taken some black salt, some black pepper powder and some cumin powder. With the help of the fingers, we shall mix this all up together. So here I have taken a serving glass. I shall be coating the rim of the serving glass with the masala that we put in the plate. Next in a bowl, I have taken about 2 teaspoons of white sugar and added just enough water so that we can dissolve it to make a sugar syrup. Next, I have taken a lemon. With the help of my palms, I shall warm it up so that we can extract more amount of juice from the lemon. I have sliced it into 2 and we shall squeeze out all the beautiful lemon juice out of it and then stir it into the sugar syrup. So I've taken some ice cubes and dropped it into the serving glass, and along with that I shall also pour out the drink into the serving glass along with the lemon sugar syrup. You can go ahead and garnish the drink with a sliced lemon wedge and a slit green chilli. And in no time, Pudina Masala Sherbet is ready to enjoy. Do try making this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye!